If you have sciatica, that electric shock, burning, zinging pain that runs down the back of your legs into your feet, this class is for you. Sciatica is most commonly linked to things like a herniated disc, nerve compression, or even muscle tension through the glutes. However, the thing that actually drives the pain is irritation of the sciatic nerve as it travels out from your lower back and down the back of your legs. In most cases, the nerve itself isn't damaged. It's actually restricted, sensitive, and not moving well within the surrounding tissues. Today, I'm going to guide you through a very gentle nerve flossing practice. Nerve flossing gently restores the nerve's ability to glide and slide as you move, rather than being stuck and then constantly tugged on. This improves blood flow to the nerve, reduces irritation, and signals deep safety to the nervous system, which often turns the volume down on your pain. Doing this practice daily, paired with a solid program to balance the structures of your lower back, is absolute gold. This practice should feel subtle and relieving, never sharp or forced. Listen to your body, and if you need to, please pare your movement back. Today's practice will be done on a firm surface, so on a yoga mat is absolutely perfect.
Laying flat on your back, relax your forehead, your eyes, your shoulders, and your lower back. Slowly bend your left knee, bringing your knee up to your chest, holding it with your hands. With each breath, gently pull your knee closer to your chest. Slowly decompressing the lower back, expanding the space between the bones, allowing the nerves space to exit. Bring your hands to the back of your hamstring. If you cannot comfortably reach around your thigh, you may use a towel. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly straighten your left knee just to the point where you feel some tension running through the sciatic nerve and the hamstring. And pause here, holding your leg in position, keeping the hip and knee still. We're going to flex through the ankle. Inhale and pull your toes towards your head, flexing. Exhale, point your toe towards the ceiling. Inhale, flex. Exhale, point. Continue breathing and moving. Deep, slow breaths. Only moving the ankle in slow motion. With every flex of your ankle, feel the tension forming through the sciatic nerve, feel how the nerve glides from the foot through the calf up to the hamstring and into the lower back. Note every sensation. Last breath. Bend your knee, bringing the leg back up to the chest, decompressing the spine again. Back nice and relaxed. And carefully release your leg, bringing it down straight to join the right. Note the difference between your left and right legs. Note how the left leg feels long and relaxed. Let's do the same on the right. Bend your right knee to your chest, moving slowly, allowing the right side of your lower back to decompress, giving space to the nerves that come out to form the sciatic nerve. Bring your hands around the back of your thigh where your hamstring is, or use a towel. Inhale, and as you exhale, straighten your knee just to the point of tension, and pause here, keeping the hip and knee completely still. Inhale, flexing the ankle, toes coming towards your head. Exhale, point your toes away. Inhale, flex. Exhale, point. Continue breathing and moving, consciously feeling the movement of the sciatic nerve as it glides all the way from the foot and calf, up through the hamstring and into your lower back. Breaths deep and slow, body fully relaxed. And if you're comfortable in this position, you may straighten your knee just a little more. Last breath. And bring that right knee to your chest, relaxing here, opening up through the spine. And gently let your leg go. Both legs flat on the surface. Relax every muscle in your body. And let's finish with 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Long exhale. Inhale. Long exhale. And last one. Inhale. Long exhale, allowing all the stress and tension to leave your body through your breath. And if you're feeling good, allow yourself to smile, knowing you've done something good for your body today. Stay in this state for as long as you need.